Hey guys, this is Raven Recording Channel. Today we're gonna having a battle between so we got Counter Scorpio 145 defense. I think SD. Yeah, correct. It's SD. So, and his opponent is Ares 145D. So, let's the battle begin. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! So, Ares is the winner in the first round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! So, Ares is the winner. The score is 2-0. So, let's see in round 3. If Ares is the winner in round 3, so he's the official winner on this. Whoa! Counter Scorpio was revenged from Ares. So the score is 2-1, and now round number 4. Whoa, Ares was revenging from him. So, Counter Scorpio loses from his stadium out. So, Ares is the official winner in this fight. So, make sure to like this video, make it your favorite, and share it, subscribe, and thanks for watching.